What up, guys? It's 6 in the morning and we're going fishing. Alright, so I just got to the pond and I'm parked so far away, and you want to know why? It's because these guys put all their trash cans right here, so purposely I won't park here and fish here. Asses. Alright guys, so I got my frog on and I got chatterbait on, but looking at this pond, it's covered in green algae, so I think I might just stick with the frog all morning until I gotta go to work. There's a nice little pool right here. Let's toss in the chatterbait. Got him! Oh my god! What? He was doing in the shallowest water. First cast. First cast. Are you serious? First cast? Look at that toad.
Right.
What the hell? This guy literally just came from right there. From right there. Off the front. This would be like a 3-pounder right there. And he literally came from this little pool. It's probably not even like, it's probably like half a foot deep right here. Nice. Solid bass. That's a nice bass right there, guys. Healthy. Let's go catch some more. Guys, my frog broke. No. That was my last frog. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, that was my last freaking frog. I mean, the only thing I have are these two things. Alright. I made a choice here, guys. I'm going with this JDM lure been used for snakeheads over out in Southeast Asia. Over in the Southeast Asia. Alright, looks like we gotta hike down through snake country. This is a little tiny spot right here. And this corner looks ideal for topwater, if anywhere else. You'd think this little thing will work already. Alright, so luckily there's another small pond right through here, so I'm gonna go check that out and see if I can pull anything out of there. Oh, this spot is so much better. Except it looks like there's a hell of a lot of snakes in this corner. Go, get out, snakes. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave my backpack stuff here. Gonna bring both my rods, because why not? Go through the hell that is presented in front of me. Got one, guys. Nice one too. Stay down. Oh shit. Yeah. Alright. Nah. There are bass in this little pond. What do you know? Look at that hook set. Barely got him. Oh God, Jesus. Alright. Nice, healthy, I would say 1.82 is a nice, round, healthy fish too. Alright, let's say this little nice 2-pounder. Alright then. Just switched up to a shaky head. See if I can pull out one more before I have to leave. There we go. That was a nice one. Alright. Not too shabby. First cast with the shaky head. Ow. Fuck you, thorns. Hate you. Alright. Oh. Alright. Number 3. Off the shaky head. There she goes. Alright guys, for real though, this is my last cast. Wish it would have been further. There we go, last cast. Oh, no, no, no! Oh man. That was like a 2-pounder. Oh well. Last cast. I'll count that as half a fish. Alright, guys, I'm gonna call that a morning. Good morning, not bad. Landed 3, lost 1 at the very end. Very safe for 2 hours. That's not that bad. All over a pound too, which is a bonus. So
I'm not on mile 2 of my early morning.
No. All right, so I gotta go to work now. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.